Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, I will talk about empirical and molecular formula. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be to calculate empirical and molecular formula from relevant data. Empirical formula is the simplest formula of a given compound. Molecular formula gives us the exact ratio or proportion of the combining atoms. Empirical formula gives us simplest combining ratio of different atoms. Let me write here. Empirical formula gives the simplest combining ratio, gives the simplest combining ratio of different atoms. On the other hand, molecular formula is the exact formula which gives the exact combining ratio of different atoms. Molecular formula gives the exact combining ratio of atoms. In some cases, both molecular and empirical formula are same for a given compounds. Let's work out the empirical formula of the following compounds. What we will do is that we will either divide all the big numbers for different atoms with the smallest numbers, or try to simplify all the numbers to get the answers in whole numbers. For the first one, the empirical formula, I'm talking about this one, would be CH3, as 2 is the smallest number. You see, 2 is the smallest number. So 2 divided by 2, we will get 1. 6 divided by 2, we will get 3. So we will divide 2 and 6 by 2 to get CH3. What about C6H12O6? Here 6 is the smallest number. So we will divide all the numbers by 6. So the empirical formula will be CH2O. The simplified version for this H2O2 will be HO. But in case of H2O and NH3, we will get the same formula. That is H2O and NH3. Try to simplify these two. C2H4, C6H6. In case of C2H4, we will get CH2. But in case of C6H6, we will get CH. Now try this question. What is the empirical formula of this molecule? First of all, we will write the molecular formula. How many atoms of carbon are there? Just 2 atoms of carbon. How many atoms of hydrogen? 4. And we have 2 atoms of Br. This is the molecular formula. Now work out this simplified version of this molecule. The answer will be CH2. H2Br. What would be the molecular formula of the molecule shown? This is the whole molecule. Look at it very carefully. There's negative charge on the last oxygen atom on both sides, which means the whole molecule will carry -2 or 2 minus charge also. This is the minus charge. Start counting. It's Cr, 2Cr, Cr2. Start counting oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cr2O 12. But there is a minus charge also on both oxygen and atoms, so we have to write -2 on top. In summary, empirical formula is the simplest formula of a given compound. Molecular formula gives the exact ratio or proportion of the combining atoms. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.